Do we have everything? Really? Where's your sister?
Getting out of the house isn't always easy, but the Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi deadbolt
We all set?
makes it easier.
Slippers? Really? Well, she can't wear those.
You can lock and unlock the door with your smartphone from anywhere, including your driveway.
My headphones!
You can assign codes to family and trusted visitors and receive optional notifications when they're used. And with Apple Home Keys, simply tap to unlock using your iPhone or Apple Watch.
Now do we have everything?
The Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi deadbolt makes getting in and out of your home a little easier.
Did you lock the door? I got it.
Trust your home to Schlage.
With the Halo Touch fingerprint smart lock, you can let yourself in with a simple touch. Let your dog walker in with a simple tap. Or let family in with the sound of your voice.
Mom's here!
Alexa, unlock the front door.
Halo Touch fingerprint smart locks, only from Kwikset.
Wow, what's that?
It's my new Halo Touch from Kwikset.
How does it work?
Works with just your finger.
Nice.
Does it work with your phone too?
Of course. And I can see who comes in and out of here through the Kwikset app.
What about with Alexa?
Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
Love the new smart lock, Mike.
Thanks, Charlie. Anyways, I should get inside.
Here at Wyze, we take extreme pride in the products we make. And our latest piece of smart home wizardry? A lock. For locking stuff, doors mostly, from anywhere on the mother-lovin' planet. To create Wyze Lock, we harvested fossilized brontosaurus balls and combined them with locally sourced sustainable belly hairs of unicorns to forge a mythical, indestructible alloy. A metal so strong it has no name. Okay, fine, it's aluminum. Each lock is created with exquisite precision. Read a bedtime story each night and then rocked to sleep by the furry bosom of Fernando, our in-house blacksmith. Wyze Lock fits right over your existing hardware. It's like giving your lock a bionic arm. If you want to go on hiding metal keys under doormats and fake-looking hollow rocks, then go ahead. But with Wyze Lock, your phone becomes your key. It unlocks automatically as you approach your door and then locks when the door closes. With its built-in gyroscope, it knows when your door is open or when it's closed because it's smart. It's so smart, when it's not locking your door, it's rewriting the last season of Game of Thrones with an appropriate balance of shock value and sensible character development. And if you're out roaming the motherland on top of the last of the great American bison and need to unlock your door for a fellow pilgrim, well, saddle up, open the app, and unlock that door like a Jim Bridger boss. Because who cares if your ancestors crossed the plains and had to draw water from a frozen well just to boil a cup of oatmeal? Sometimes you don't feel like standing up and walking across the room, and that's okay. At only $99, you'll be able to secure your entire home for less than shoeing a horse. Wyze Lock. Now you're living in the future.
Hey, did you remember to lock the front door?
No, did you?
On it. Hold on.
I think it's time to get a new lock. Ooh, I like that one.
So, do you want the keypad with the keys?
No, no more keys. I can see it now. The kids can let themselves in when they get home.
This is perfect for when they get home from practice.
So if I'm in my studio, the app will tell us when the kids are home. This is perfect for our family. This is a good one. My phone automatically unlocks the door. What do we ask the kids every day? Is the door closed?
You're right. Every day. Okay, we got the lock. Now the style.
On it. That's okay. Much better. And now for my lock. That's the one.
Wow. Great work.
You're welcome.
Home. It's that special place where our fondest memories are made. Where the people we hold close come together to enjoy life and share stories from the day. Meet Level Touch. The only lock designed for the daily routines of everyone in your home. The first smart lock that elegantly matches your style on the outside and thoughtfully hides technology on the inside. lock that you can open while on the move, or close after you've already left. One that embraces simplicity and touches on something new. A lock that lets you welcome friends and family in with ease, so your home can always be full of the ones you love. Home is where your days begin and end. Welcome home.
The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi deadbolt is designed to provide peace of mind from anywhere. It works with your phone, your voice, your finger, and even a key. It connects directly to your home's Wi-Fi in seconds to provide smartphone control from anywhere, eliminating the need for additional adapters, which saves you time and money. So gain peace of mind and upgrade your home to the safety, simplicity, and style of Schlage. Everyone sees the front door, but it's the other front door that's seen it all.
Shut the door!
It's where the family comes home. Each in their own way. It's convenient, and now even more so, thanks to the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi lever, with features designed to provide peace of mind in a hectic world. So, that door with the battle scars can have a smart lock that your family trusts to work hard through the long days and the short years. You can assign codes to trusted visitors and get optional notifications to let you know who's coming and going. You can use your phone to lock and unlock from anywhere. A smart lock that's a simple choice because it makes the door that gets the most use even more useful. Trust your home to Schlage.
Ditch your keys and make life easier with the Amazon Key Smart Lock Kit and introducing its new compatible Schlage Encode Wi-Fi lock. Whether you have your hands full in the kitchen,
Alexa, lock my side door.
Locking. Hang on.
need to let someone in while you're out, or just want to make your morning run a little lighter, the Amazon Key Smart Lock Kit with Schlage Encode Wi-Fi Lock gives you the peace of mind to securely lock and unlock your door anytime, anywhere, no matter where life takes you.
Pretty. You found a key. Hosting just got smarter. August is now integrated with Airbnb and HomeAway to automate check-in and check-out, so you never have to hide keys or work with property managers.
Hello?
August Smart Locks and Smart Keypad now sync with both Airbnb and HomeAway, so anyone who books your property automatically receives an email confirmation with an access code, valid for their stay. The code goes live at check-in and expires at checkout. Managing guest access has never been easier with August. Learn more at august.com/host.
Hey, don't forget your lunch. See you tonight.
Alexa, lock the door.
Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma! Come on, faster.
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.
Introducing Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wifi. Convenience and security maximized. With features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, smart auto lock that will trigger only when your door is closed, and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. U-Bolt Pro Wifi is modern home security, a smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors like Airbnb guests temporary access codes. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who is entered from anywhere you are. Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wifi is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and a dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro Wifi, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use the backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro Wifi with the rest of your smart home, and use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wifi. Convenience and security maximized.